Use the link in the video description below to read the full transcript of this video with audio description.
Demetrius has my consent to wed. Lysander has stolen my daughter's heart!
My name is Simon Ridley, and I'm the Executive Director of Detour Company Theater, a theater and humanities group for adults with disabilities. At Detour, we produce musicals, plays, and movies that star adults with disabilities. We make our work accessible and make efforts to actively include members of the deaf, blind, and IDD communities in our audiences. Over the last 5 years, we have made the transition from being purely an artistic-focused organization to including classes and projects in the humanities, like literature, language, ethics, and philosophy. Hiring professionals from the academic world, including university professors, writers, and language experts, we've offered a truly comprehensive set of classes to students. Our structure for Detour Academy could be called reverse mainstreaming. Classes are set up with adults with disabilities in mind, and they make up the majority of our students, but the classes are open to the general public and include a small number of neurotypical students. This style of integration allows students to see each other as peers and to work together to achieve class goals while also providing the support needed by students with disabilities so that they can succeed. Additionally, Detour Academy offers professional training for aspiring teaching artists. Adult actors with disabilities at Detour can apply to be teaching artist interns. This is a paid position that offers supported vocational training as a teaching artist. Students who complete a teaching artist internship are given preferential consideration when full teaching artist contracts become available. Donations to Detour Academy help us to provide educational support to adults with disabilities, helping them to improve their literacy, explore philosophy and ethics, and to learn a larger canon of great literary works, including Shakespeare. But most importantly, funding for Detour Academy helps us create a supported space for adults with disabilities to engage as scholars and bring their perspectives to a broader academic conversation that does not always include them. I will leave you now with some words from our Shakespeare class.
Here is now your home,